All right, everyone, welcome to today's recap. I hope you guys are doing well and staying blessed. If you guys are new here, my name is Jeremiah. I'm a day trader. I trade small cap stocks, momentum, and breakouts. I stream every single day, Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I upload my recaps after every trading session, regardless of whether I'm red or green. If you guys have been following along recently, you guys know that I've been doing a one trade a day challenge with 10 shares, and today would be day 7. But I am going to count yesterday. I know I said I wasn't going to in my previous recap, but I'm gonna count it. Even though it was a no trade day, the market has been heating back up, so I feel more confident and ready than when I started this challenge. I felt like a little bit like I don't know, not ready, I guess, to scale up. But I'm gonna take it slow. If you guys disagree with me, leave a comment down below, and I'll finish. I'll count this as the 7th day. But as for now, I'm gonna call this the 8th day of the one trade a day challenge. Um, and without further ado, let's jump right into this recap here. So my first trade was on, or my only trade was on SPHL. This has a float of, I believe, 900,000 shares. Sorry, it has a float of 400,000 shares. Um, yeah, 400,000 shares. I thought it was like 1 million, but um, I guess I guess not. 400 says 400 to 600,000 shares. Anyways, my trade was the first candle to make a new high here, and the break over VWAP. You guys will see it as this plays out. So breaking there. Take my entry. It dips down for a bit. And I'm waiting for it to break this daily resistance level here. And I sold it. But wait, right after this, you get green on the tape. Not yet, not yet. There it is. And then it breaks finally. And I could have made a decent amount more, obviously. Yeah. So once I scale back up, I'll probably take a starter position here for the first candle to make a new high, or maybe at VWAP, I don't know. But anyways, first candle to make a new high, and then as it breaks, I'll probably add another 50 shares. So 50 here and then 50 there. And then if it doesn't work, then I just sell 50 shares, no big deal. But I feel a lot more confident than when I originally started this, so that's why I'm calling this day 8. Like I said, I just want to reiterate that. So this is really good to see, and I said the market is heating back up, so I'm gonna show you guys some proof. Let me show you guys the other stuff. So we had BNKK pop up. This has a 3 million share float. There were some really nice opportunities on this. Obviously not right there. Okay, so a correction. BNKK was not, didn't. I mean, it had opportunity, of course. But this CJMB was the stock that looked really good as well. This one had a flow of 1.4 million shares. The setups we saw on this were like amazing. 10-second pullback right there, beautiful. Almost looked like a flat top breakout. So this one was a little tricky. It was sort of choppy here. Then it breaks through the high of day. First candle making a new high. Goes absolutely insane. I was away from my screen here. So straight up to 450, dipping down. Right around 4 now. This is another setup here that worked, I think. Oh wait, actually I don't remember if this worked, to be quite honest with you guys. No, it didn't. Only a while later did it pop up. Okay, so correction, it actually CJMB did not pop back up, but SPHL provided us with a lot of opportunities, which I wanted to go over here. So we have this pullback right over this resistance level, or sorry, support level now. So it dips. We have a little bottoming tail candle. Once this closes, we get first candle to make a new high. And this thing goes crazy. Already up 15 cents. Seeing more green. There we go. 10 cents. Another 10 cents. Right under $6. There's $6 right there. Breaking through 6. Straight to 640. Really nice move. Now dipping down below that daily resistance. It really does help to have the daily resistance drawn out, because every single time there was some sort of reaction. These are all daily levels of like highs and lows. For example, you can see some consolidation around this one. Hit this level, drop, dips down, hits it again, drops down, finally breaks through, holds above this ascending support line, dips down. Amazing move. So yeah, really helpful to have those drawn out. We had support here at this one. See the dip off that one, that level right here. So it really helps to have this be a daily chart, and then once I draw out the resistance, I can just switch it to a 5-minute chart. It's really helpful. And then that gives me more space for my 10-second chart as well. So yeah, that was SPHL. We'll take a look at some more of the setups we saw. This is another 1-minute setup here. First candle make a new high. It breaks and it goes through resistance right there as well. Taps the next daily resistance level. So once again, really helpful to have this drawn out. We have it dips down, so it doesn't break in this candle. It dips down. Next candle, we have a small red candle on light volume. Then we have another pullback, and it breaks and goes straight through this resistance level and the 200 EMA. So we get this candle. I'm going to fast forward this a little bit. Small red candle, light volume, breaks. We'll get the break. Oh my gosh. So there's green right at 50 as well. 50 is psychological support. Straight up to 80 from 50. So if you took an entry there, that was a really good entry at 50. Now straight up to right under 7. And then we break through 7, I think. So it dips down 10 cents. Dips down 10 cents, green, boom. Another really nice dip if you bought the dip right under 7. Got in at 690, and then you would have got out 20 cents of profit. Or maybe you added on that dip. But yeah, would have been a really nice trade right there. And we have more. We have more from this stock actually. So green there. Straight up to 50. Dipping below it. Dipping decent amount below it. But this actually ends up forming another pullback, which works. And this one goes absolutely insane. We break the high there. And I'm telling myself, I'm like, every single pullback is working on this crazy pop right there. $1 a share if you got in for the first candle to make a new high. I mean, potentially, obviously. I don't know if you would have sold there, but a really good amount of opportunity there. And also, you can look at the 10-second chart. We have setups all around here. Pullback there. That was the 10-second pullback, I think, right under 50, if I'm not mistaken. Beautiful. 10-second setup right here. $1 a share in this candle. Absolutely insane. This is a lot. Wow. There's a lot of money to be made in this move right here. So we can see the level 2 ask is getting bought up. Barely any orders on the ask now. Absolutely insane. I can only imagine how I felt just watching this thing skyrocket without me. But it is what it is. This is a part of the one trade a day challenge. Sitting and watching things go without you. So it's been good. It's been good to build my patience and discipline. But I would like to get back to normal trading soon because I do feel confident and I feel as though my patience has grown greatly over this challenge. So we'll call today day 8. If you guys think I should call this day 7, just let me know. Let me know down below, and I'll call it day 7. But with that, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace.